At Leavitt Machinery and Advantage Learning, we are going to be updating our operator training course calendar. We wanted to show you some of the new features that will allow you to easily navigate and find the course you're looking for. By default, without clicking any of the filters, you'll notice that we have all courses listed below. By clicking on a course, you can find more information, such as where it's located, how many seats are available, and the time. There's also a course details button that allows you to find out more details about the specific course. If you prefer to look at a daily view versus a monthly view, you can click this list view. By clicking this list button, you'll notice you get a few more details about each course. But if you're not interested in all courses we have available, you can narrow down the courses by selecting them through the course filter button. For example, if you want to find a counterbalance forklift course, you can click the course button, click the province we're located in, and even the town. Here you'll notice that we have the course listed in Coquitlam on January 31st with 8 seats available. But if we wanted to get into the course on January 29th, we'd better do it quick because there's only 3 seats available. You can also select the course date range and narrow down the course to the specific days or date range that you're interested in. By clicking this download PDF button, this will download a copy of the search results that you've put into the search filters. To get back to the monthly view, just click this little calendar icon here. If you know that you're only available to take a course on the weekend, try this Show Weekend Courses button. It will automatically filter out all course search results happening Monday to Friday, leaving you with just weekend options. If you find yourself frequently using the same filters, try bookmarking the URL. If you're ready to go ahead and book a course, click on the course on the calendar and click the Book Now button. This takes you to another page where you can enter your details in order to book your course. Just a reminder that it may take up to 1 business day to process your booking. Once booked, you'll be contacted by a representative to confirm your booking. If you notice that there are only a few seats available, or if you have an urgent need for training, make sure you call our toll-free number to book with a live agent. Our offices are open from 6 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Time. If you have any trouble at all accessing the online course calendar, please call us at 1-866-291-3322 to speak to one of our friendly customer service agents.